My name's Eric Isbell. I work here at Amerhart, West Salem in the LP SmartSide division. By having the new building out there, not only allows us for more efficiency, allows us to have all 16 colors in the trim, the siding, the corners, 16-inch vertical batten strips, 2-inch inside corners, etc. It's 2 doors on each side. It's able to flow. It makes us more efficient. It allows us to go above and beyond the order. When we build an order, we always look at the bulk of the order, and 90% of the time it's going to be the 8-inch lap siding. So we put the lap siding down first, then we go get our trim, get our corners, any other accessory that goes with the order. When we build that, we always want to make sure that the top is level, tight, and even on the ends. Getting the job packs right, it's all about taking pride in what you do. And then you know if you do it properly, you know it's going to get to the job site safely, you did everything you can do. It's a sense of pride. What I mean by going beyond the order is we wrap it tightly, we put extra lumber on top, extra 4x8 sheet cover sheets, so it gets to the job site damage-free. So the reason we built a warehouse here at West Salem was so we could house all 16 colors of the material that allows us to get the proper material to the customers when they ask for it.